order to know what the course of the day is going to look like, we have Mahesh Palawat of SkyMet joining us. Thank you so much, Mahesh, for speaking with us early this morning. First and foremost, was this predicted? Were we expecting this kind of rainfall? And what has really caused this rainfall? Because, of course, we're months away from the monsoon season hitting Delhi. And take us through what is it going to be like? How long is this weather system going to last?
So, we have predicted the inclement weather condition from 2nd May onward, and it may continue on and off for next 3 to 4 days. A western disturbance has approached western Himalayas, and it has induced a cyclonic circulation over northwest Assam and adjoining areas. So, weather activities commenced over North Punjab and Haryana yesterday, and parts of Rajasthan. Then the third cloud traveled up to Delhi and NCR tonight. And wind speed reached up to 40 knots, say around 80 km per hour between 4 a.m. and 5 a.m. Now, initially it was dust storm, then it converted into rain, thunderstorm and strong winds. So this increment weather activities may continue for another 3 to 4 days, but intensity may vary from day to day. But temperatures will remain, say, around mid-30s, below 40, say 36 to 38 degrees, leading to abatement of heat wave conditions. Yeah.
Right, of course, leading to abatement of heat wave conditions, like Mahesh Palawat of SkyMet is telling us. And of course, he's also gone on to point out that this weather system is going to last not just through the weekend, but could perhaps go up till Monday. It is going to vary day to day is what he's saying. And of course, look at the impact of the storm. This has been, more than monsoon rain that we've seen in a matter of 2 hours. We are about 2 months away from the monsoon season. This is a western disturbance that's caused this kind of havoc, this kind of rainfall, waterlogging and uprootment of trees. Flight operations have been impacted. We are seeing about a delay of at least 45 minutes when it comes to arrivals, and about almost an hour, 54 minutes to be precise, when it comes to takeoffs from the national capital. We're talking about the busiest airport in India, the Indira Gandhi International Airport, where 1,300 flights operate on a single day. So 46 minutes delay and a 54-minute delay when it comes to takeoffs, and about 46 minutes, like I mentioned, is for the flights that are coming into Delhi. And like my colleague Vishnu was pointing out, many flights have been diverted. There have been warnings and alerts that are being put out by the operators of the airlines, asking the passengers to check in because there are going to be massive delays. And this is, of course, going to, impact the flights which are going to be operating in the course of the day, and of course also over the weekend, because the weather is going to continue to play spoil sport when it comes to the traffic, whether it's the air traffic, the rail traffic, and also the road traffic. And of course, these are the difficulties that all of us here at NDTV faced early this morning in order to get to work.